What's the meaning of Cantopop? Cantopop. Cantopop.
Cantopop. Cantopop. Cantopop is a genre of music that originated in Hong Kong in the 1970s and combines traditional Chinese music with Western pop music. It has become a cultural phenomenon and has had a significant impact on popular culture in Hong Kong and other Chinese-speaking regions. Cantopop has produced many famous singers and bands, such as Leslie Chun and beyond. Despite its popularity, Cantopop's influence has waned in recent years due to the rise of Mandarin language pop music and changing preferences among younger generations.